Now, this gymnosperms made up of two words. One is gymnos and one is sperma. So it is made up of what? Gymnos and one is sperma. Now, gymnos means naked and sperma means seed. So gymnosperms contain what? Naked seeded plants. Okay, means seeds are present but they are not covered. So that all belongs to what? Gymnosperms. So what we can say gymnosperms? So the plants in which ovules are not covered or enclosed by any ovary wall. Okay, what I told? The plants in which ovules present is not covered by any ovary wall. Okay, what I told? Ovules present but not covered by any ovary wall. And what happens? And remain exposed before and after fertilization. Okay, so before and after fertilization, these remain exposed. Okay, so or what we can say, remain uncovered. So that belongs to what? Gymnosperms. Or what we can say, or remain naked, known as gymnosperms. So that is known as gymnosperms. Now, these gymnosperms contain medium-sized tree, tall tree, and shrubs. So what I told, gymnosperms contain small sized tree, tall tree, and shrubs also. Now, just for example, if we are saying so ginkgo, pinus, cycas. So for example, ginkgo, pinus, cycas. So this belongs to what? Gymnosperms. Okay. Now we will see that this ginkgo looking like what? Okay. This is also known as distinct species of gymnosperms. Ginkgo. Okay. We will see that how looks like that. Their full form is Ginkgo biloba. Full name, scientific name is Ginkgo biloba. Now, this is looking like what? They contain seeds opened. So first we have to see. Now, this lower portion contained that is known as long shoot. This is having This is known as long shoot. This one on long shoot, this is known as dwarf shoot. Okay, this is what dwarf shoot. Now, this containing branches. Many branches are there. Okay, so these are branches that contain large sized leaf. Now, here what they contain? Open seeds. So this is seeds. Okay, so like that they are having what? Looking like zinc go. So this is figure is zinc go by loba. Okay, or extinct gymnosperms. So this is ginkgo biloba. Now, what we seen in this, that gymnosperms contained naked seeded plants. Okay. Now, one gymnosperm is there, that is a giant redwood tree. That is one of the tallest tree and name is sequoia. One of the gymnosperm known as, okay, one of the gymnosperm, that is what? That is known as giant redwood tree. Giant redwood tree. Okay, so that is what? Sequoia. Okay, giant redwood tree, sequoia. Now it is what? One of the tallest tree species. It is one of the tallest tree species. Very, very important. What I told? Tree sequoia, that is the giant redwood tree. It is what? Tallest tree species found in where? Gymnosperm. This many time I have seen that question. Sequoia is what? Belongs to gymnosperm. Gingoba biloba belongs to gymnosperm. Okay. Now, here what happened? Already we know that from pteridophytes, they all containing true root, stem and leaf. Pteridophytes mostly they contain what? Adventitious root. But here what is that? The roots present in gymnosperm are generally taproot. Okay, so generally, which type of root are found in gymnosperm? That is taproot, and taproot means roots develop directly from a radicle of germinating seed. Okay, if apart from radicle of germinating seed they are developing, that is known as adventitious root, that we seen in the previous. Okay, so in the where in the dendrophytes we see. Now in some other plants, this gymnosperm making what relationship? What I told? They are making what fungal relationship or fungal association in the form of mycorrhiza. So some gymnosperm shows what I told. Some gymnosperms shows fungal association with lichens. Okay, with they are forming what? They are forming with like, or what we can say, not lichen because it is algae and fungi combination. Thus, some gymnosperm shows fungal association with plants such as that plant is pinus and in the form of what? Mycorrhiza pinus, and they are forming mycorrhiza like what? Lichen, and lichen is what? Algae and fungal relationship. Okay, so some are forming what? Mycorrhiza means roots of higher plant along with, and which plant? Pinus, along with fungal association. Some gymnosperms are showing this association. Okay, some are showing coralloid roots. Some gymnosperms are showing what? Some gymnosperms are showing coralloid roots. Now, these coralloid roots, they are showing what? In cycas. Okay, so coralloid roots means what? Helps in nitrogen fixation with cyanobacteria. What I told? Helps in nitrogen fixation with blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. So that type of root is known as what? Coralloid roots. And which gymnosperm they are showing? So that is cycas. If mycorrhiza they are showing fungal association like what? Lichen. So that is showing what? Pinus. This two you have to remember. Mycorrhiza association shown by Pinus, coralloid roots shown by cycas. Now, cycas doing what? Helping in nitrogen fixation along with what? Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Okay. Now, the stem found in gymnosperm may be branched, may be unbranched. Okay. So, come on that. Or we will see in the next class in detail that the stems found in Gymnosperms may be branched and may be unbranched. Okay. Now, the branched stem are found in Pinus, Cedrus. The unbranched stem are found in Cycas. Okay. Here also leaves simple, leaves may be compound. Okay. If a compound is there like cycas, so they contain pinnately compound leaves. We will see that tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you.